Chairperson of the Commission, you may take your seats. And straight away take us through what you have to communicate to the country. Over to you, Lord Chair. Thank you.
Distinguished guests and dear citizens who are watching us, wherever you are. These are the first preliminary results of the presidential elections that the Commission has received and ascertained. Total number of registered voters, 21,067 on the National Voters Register. The total number of polling stations, 50,739. Results, the total number of polling stations from which we have received results in time, 133, representing 0.26% of total polling stations. These are so far the results per presidential candidate. Vinga, votes representing 0.36% of the valid votes cast for candidates so far. Kaswante Robert, Party NPP, total number of votes 66, representing 0.29% of the valid votes cast for candidates. Excuse me. Kyagulanyi Sentam Robert, NUP, 7,753 votes, representing 33.64% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Mabirizi Joseph, CP, votes 45, 0.20% of the valid votes cast. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, ANT, 164 votes, 0.71% of valid votes cast for candidates. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, CMP, 145 votes, representing 0.63% of valid votes cast. Nandala Mafabi James Nathan, 560 votes, representing 2.43% of valid votes cast. Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, NRM, 14,232 votes, 61.7%. Total number of valid votes for all the candidates so far is 23,049. Invalid votes so far, 6, representing 3.34% of the total votes cast. Total number of votes altogether, 23,845. representing 0.11% of the total number of registered voters, are 7. That is the position as of now. Ladies and gentlemen, and all you who are watching us, as I said, that is the first preliminary results the Commission has received so far at this National Tally Center. It's now coming to 11 p.m. The next update at 9 a.m. I wish all of you a blessed night. Thank you so much.